We better hurry.
Why?
Right. It's hard to find time to do anything now.
Yeah, well, you told me, what, earlier this week or last week you were going to go to the movie in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I understand you don't have time for that. I don't.
I did go to a movie.
Well, that's what
I'm going to a movie tomorrow too.
Man, what's it cost? $15?
He's giving me grief.
What does it cost to go to a movie?
Well, I've got the subscription thing where you pay like $25 a month and you can see as many movies as you want.
It's a very good deal.
It's pretty good.
Have talking movies yet?
Have what?
Talking movies.
Oh yeah.
You do.
In color too. You didn't know that?
Color?
Yeah.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, technology, man. It's came a long way. Look, you missed it.
This is the second piece of brass that I found that I'd missed previously.
Well, you gotta start looking a little harder.
Yes, you're right.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Animal fair. What? What the hell is this? Who is that?
What is that?
That's a baby monitor.
I don't see any babies on it.
You're doing better than me. I ain't find nothing except this damn parrot.
Look,
Yeah, which is good.
you don't get here till Judge Banker's hours.
I know, I got here late and I need to leave early, so I don't know what to tell you. I'm a busy man today. Eric?
My name is Jeff.
Dude. It's actually really cool. What? Look at the turtles. That's kind of crazy.
It's chicken.
The chicken?
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
That's disgusting. Well,
I put a wristwatch on your. You can see it there with a.
yeah.
I don't think it's anything, but
Okay.
you could obviously do the judge.
All right, I'll take a gander at it.
Bob found a clarinet.
I saw that.
Looked complete.
He's always finding stuff.
Because first he's here when you're not.
Hey, now, come
And
on.
he looks for stuff.
You know I'm a hard worker. It's
Hardly working.
hardly working.
Hardly working. I think it's probably close. Well, that's okay.
I'm just trying to survive,
You
okay?
understand? I envy you.
It's summertime. You envy me? Why? You're retired.
Yeah, but
You don't even have to be here.
Well, I don't even have to be alive.
What?
Man, I want to go back to that other belt. Oh, that's pretty cool. Stadium giveaway, but that's pretty cool. That we better hurry.
Why?
Right.
Here,
Yeah.
I don't think it's anything but
What is that? Oh, it's a neck fan. You might want that at the flea. Sit up at the flea market with your fan on you. What do you think about that?
what do you think about that?
I don't know.
Look at all those chickens.
Hey, is that a duck or a chicken? Hey, is that a duck or a chicken? Are you ignoring me?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Jesus.
Okay, buddy.
Look what you left over here.
Go for it.
It's mine now. My God, there it is. He's in good condition. Yeah. There's a battle beast. That's an arm though. Got the long legs and the long arms. Kind of cool.
Lots of nothing.
Speak for yourself. I'm killing it.
After this one, I'm leaving.
Me too.
11:27.
We should just get out of here.
Make like a sheep herd and get the flock out of here.
Yes. I like that one.
You need to get a life.
I know. I'm trying to find one.
All right, watching this back, I identified that this bag was cool, but apparently I didn't want to grab it,
That's
and I probably should have. It kind of reminded me of a Yeti product, and I just didn't grab it.
Springs.
Look at that.
Here. Open up your bag.
What do you got? 13th Warrior,
I don't know about that.
Fear.com, DVD. Oh man, you got the hot hand for the Universal ones. Hey.
We have to go around. Wait, there's people standing right there.
Good Lord.
That's it.
Thanks, Bryce.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Maybe see you tomorrow. Then have a good one.
All right, Bryce. Take care, man. All right, y'all, we're back from the outlet, and it was just a short little trip today. Didn't really plan on recording, but my camera was charged, so I figured why not? And thankfully Bryce was in there, had a nice little time, and we got out of there spending $10.65 today. Let's get into what I got. As you guys saw, Bryce handed me this nice stack of Universal Monster VHS tapes. I don't have any of these except for the Son of Frankenstein, which he gave me the other day too. So that's kind of crazy that he found 2 copies of Son of Frankenstein in like the past couple days. But very excited to add these to the collection, and definitely gonna be checking these out soon. Ended up picking up the Yoda backpack. There was one version of this that I found that was like, it was branded for the prequel movies. And that thing was selling for like $60, but this one is probably like 25, 30 bucks. He's very clean, looks brand new really. So I figured why not. This isn't normally something I'd pick up, but this clock right here had a sold comp for like 50 bucks, I think. So I figured I'd take the chance on it and give it a try. And then the star of the show today was that Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville Parrot. I don't know if this thing is going to hold air or not. It was just floating around on the belt by itself, out of packaging. It could have a hole anywhere on here. So let me try to blow this up and see if he's going to hold air for me. All right. Okay, so he blew up. I don't hear any air leaking out or anything. The only issue with him is he's got some paint on him right here, and I don't know if I can get that off without damaging him or not. But can you believe that there is a sold comp for over $100 for this thing? I don't know why, but R.I.P. Jimmy Buffett, and hopefully if we could get 70 bucks for this, I would be pretty stoked. But find of the day is the Parrot. Let's go. All right, that's going to do us for today. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, hyping, sharing. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We like to go to the Goodwill outlet a lot around here. So if you guys like some thrifting content, go ahead and hit that sub. And I'll be back very soon with another thrift hunt. And I also want to let you guys know I still have some of the free stickers left. If you guys want a free sticker, just send me an email with your address at lostinthecomps@gmail.com, and I'll ship one out to you for supporting the channel. So until next time, take care and keep the thrift alive.
I like turtles.
I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.